This brand is made in America by Daikin Comfort Technologies Manufacturing LP, which is a part of Daikin Industries Limited. All of the units feature louvered metal panel construction with a powder-coated finish for durability and to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. The brand is only sold through their dealer network in the USA. The GSXN4 is a basic unit that features core sense diagnostics, which will proactively shut the system down should it detect conditions that could damage the compressor. The unit has a factory-installed filter dryer which protects the refrigerant system from moisture. They have a compressor sound blanket for noise control and are backed by a pretty good guarantee, but it does not include total unit replacement in case of compressor failure, and so it is not recommended by HvacRepairGuy. The ASXC7 is a premium unit with a 2-stage compressor and a 2-speed condenser fan for efficient operation. They have a high-density sound blanket for quiet operation, as well as the ability to communicate with other parts of the HVAC system to maximize comfort and efficiency. They are backed by a very good warranty, including lifetime unit replacement in case of compressor failure, while the GSXC7 models are identical but less expensive as they only have a 10-year replacement guarantee. The AVXC20 is an ultimate air conditioner with a 24 SEER efficiency rating. They have a variable speed condenser fan motor for added energy savings and quiet operation. They are backed by a very good warranty that includes lifetime unit replacement in the event of compressor failure. The GVXC20 models are identical to the AVXC20 but less expensive as they only have a 10-year unit replacement guarantee. They have a field-selectable boost mode that increases compressor speed during unusually high loads to ensure comfort even in unusual conditions. They have proprietary control software that measures coil and ambient temperatures to adjust unit operation to maximize efficiency and comfort. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.